With the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, Samsung is finally introducing the beloved function. When Samsung removed the rotating bezel from the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and introduced this new design, it caused controversy. While it seemed to be a good idea, aficionados of Samsung watches didn't like it. The rotating bezel will be returned with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which is a relief since Samsung chose to do so after hearing the concerns. Yes, the classic branding is being brought back as well. SuperRotor, a source with a solid reputation, provided this information. There is a strong likelihood that the rotating bezel will definitely return this year with the Watch 6 Classic, since he just unveiled the first images of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5. These devices have been proven to be real. What about the standard Galaxy Watch 6 could be a question at this point. Well, the good news is that we do in fact have information about that, and I'm happy to report that. Similar to what we've seen on the Watch Active 2 series, the normal Watch 6 will once again include a curved display screen. As a result, two popular features, the rotating bezel and the curved display panel, will be back with the Galaxy Watch 6 range. You see, when compared to the most recent Galaxy Watch, the Apple Watch currently has the best-looking watch on the market. Due to the curved display screen and the narrow bezels that give it a futuristic appearance, there are two reasons for this. But with the Galaxy Watch 6, Samsung is not only reintroducing curved display panels, which is long overdue, but they are also, at long last, thinning out the bezels. In the recent past, Samsung watches seemed antiquated. The bezel sizes on Galaxy watches haven't been the same for years, after all. However, the Watch 6 lineup marks a final change in that. The bezel size will indeed be smaller on the Watch 6 Classic as well. The resolution will also be boosted in addition to the smaller bezels. With the Watch 6 Classic, Samsung is adding 0.07 inches to the display size. Furthermore, Samsung will continue to enhance battery life with the Watch 6 lineup by incorporating a slightly larger battery and better optimization. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.